If you're serious about 5S at your company, then you know that it has to be a thoughtful activity. If it's just mundane or routine, you're not going to get continuous improvement out of your 5S program. So in this video, we're going to talk about the activity of what's called sweep or also shine and how to make it thoughtful. And the example I'm going to use is one of an everyday coffee making machine. This is Mr. Coffee Machine. Every morning I enjoy a cup of coffee with my breakfast, which means every morning I get to see this. It's coffee splatter, and I think it's gross. Now, if you're familiar with what's called sweep or shine in 5S, then you know that a basic understanding of it is to clean. But if cleaning is all that it is, you're not going to be getting continuous improvement out of your 5S program. The real understanding of sweep or shine is really to inspect as you clean. So here's what could happen. I could wake up every morning, come up to the coffee machine, see this mess, and then decide to clean it. But there's two problems with that. The first one is that, well, I'm just going to have to clean it again the next day and all the days after that because it's going to continue to get messy. The second problem is there could be a deeper issue here than just the mess that I'm seeing on the surface. Now this is just a coffee machine, but pretend for a moment it's your car or production equipment, and it's not coffee, but it's oil that's leaking out of your machine. If all you do is clean the leaking oil, you're going to be in a world of hurt in weeks or months later when the whole thing breaks down. So you got to dig deeper than just the surface level cleaning. So here's what I did. Instead of just cleaning the machine as is every day for the rest of my life, I decided to stop and ask myself the question, why is it getting dirty in the first place? And also, what could I do so that I never have to clean this again, or at least a lot less? Well, I looked at it, and as you can see, there's a big gap between the dispensing area up here and the bottom of my cup. And it's so big that it splatters out of the cup and onto the machine, making it messy. I've been doing some woodworking recently, and I had a scrap piece of wood, and I thought, well, what if I just get a block of wood and I raise my coffee cup every morning when I make coffee that much? Now when I make a cup of coffee, there's almost no splatter, which means I'm not going to have to just clean it for the rest of my life. I get to use my time more productively. So that gets down to the heart of 5S, and specifically sweep and shine. It's not just household cleaning, it's inspect as you clean, looking at the root causes and making something better.
For more lean tips and sound advice for your lean journey, visit us at leansmarts.com.